Welcome back to the one-time close land and home construction loan show. I'm Ray, your renovation loan coach.
And I'm Jake. 6 months ago, I was paying $2,400 in rent for a place with mustard yellow counters. Today, I'm sipping cold brew on brand new quartz. We're here to show you exactly how we did it.
Jake, hit us with the numbers.
Tampa rent was jumping 8% every lease. I ran a quick break-even, $40,000 renovation versus another year of rent hikes. The math screamed, buy the ugly house and fix it.
And you didn't want two separate loans, one to buy, one to renovate.
Exactly. One closing, one payment, one celebratory housewarming barbecue.
Let's break down what pre-approved actually looks like. FHA 203k credit floor is 620, HomeStyle 680, steady job, good rent history, and boom, you're in.
Down payment, people think 20%. Nope. FHA 3.5% of the full amount, purchase plus remodel, HomeStyle 5%.
On our $340,000 buy plus $40,000 reno, we're talking $13,300 or $19,000 out the door, not the $70,000 plus some banks demand.
I almost walked away when I saw cash or renovation loan only.
Translation: this house is eligible gold. Eligible list single family, 2 to 4 unit as long as you live in one, HUD-REO foreclosures, and manufactured homes on permanent foundations. No fly zone condos, co-ops, tiny homes on wheels, and anything still under major new construction.
If the listing agent's voice cracks when they say needs TLC, that's your cue. Call 888-857-8041.
Let's paint the picture again. Purchase price, $340,000. Renovation budget, $40,000. Total loan base, $380,000. Future value after reno, $420,000, and that's being conservative. FHA rolls it all at 3.5% down, which is $13,300 cash to close. HomeStyle rolls it at 5% down, which is $19,000.
I went FHA because I wanted to keep my cash for furniture.
And if your dream costs $75,000 or even $150,000, we start at $200,000 and go up to the current FHA limit or conforming limit, whichever program you choose. No second appraisal games, no HELOC juggling. If you're staring at 1987 cabinets or a shower that looks like a gas station restroom, pick up the phone.
Seriously, dial 888-857-8041. I did, and 6 weeks later I was handing out pizza to contractors in my brand new kitchen. Call 888-857-8041. Let's build your dream home before next year's prices push your dream home out of reach. Like, share, subscribe, and drop your questions below. And hey, call 888-857-8041 to start your own renovation loan today. Remember, if you felt this information was useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights on home building and home renovation financing. Comment below with your questions or experiences with construction and renovation loans.